Hello, everybody. I'm Susan Phelps with Berkshire Hathaway Florida Realty. Welcome to Lakehouse Cove at Waterside in Lakewood Ranch, where Lee Wetherington and his team have designed and built the Mainstay. This beautiful inspiration home is a great example of a custom home that you can build just like it, or you can take your inspiration from what you see in this model and begin your building experience. Now, we always find something unique and unusual about each of these custom homes that we visit, and today is no exception, so hang around. We want to take you on a tour of this elegant coastal beauty that swept the 2021 Parade of Homes Awards. So be right back, and subscribe and ring that bell so that you don't miss out on any of the weekly videos. Oh, and I'd also like to thank Lee Wetherington and his team for allowing us to spend some time in the Mainstay today. We also want to update you about Waterside Place and the progress there. So I'll be right back. As you enter, you'll notice the foyer. The significant detail is framed with more detail that takes your eye up to view the stunning chandelier with light that amplifies the architecture. This home has an elegant but casual feel as you enter the common area that holds the gathering room, the kitchen, and the dining area. The architectural elements on the ceiling and over the cabinets and under cabinets is complemented by the recessed lighting, chandeliers, and pendants over the island that add an almost dramatic effect. This is a beautiful gourmet kitchen with this wine bar, a refrigerator hidden behind paneled doors, a built-in microwave, an oven, a gas cooktop, and I love the two-tone cabinets, the apron front farm sink, and a hidden pantry behind more paneled doors. Now, let's stay on this side of the house and follow me down the hall, where you find the first secondary bedroom, ensuite, Let's head outside through the pool bath door and stand back to reveal the totally open access from the gathering room and the dining area to the outdoor living space. Disappearing glass sliders allow a complete flow from the outside to in. The disappearing zero corner sliders stack to each side, and the 4 sliders from the main area stack to the side. And the ceiling detail work continues with each lanai area. This is one of the prettiest outdoor kitchens I've seen. I love the natural wood tones. It seems like it really complements the outdoor space. And the pool, of course, has an infinity edge spa, waterfall features, and a sun shelf. Okay, so we've saved the best for last. We're gonna go buy this study that has pocket doors and enter into the primary bedroom. And to the left, we find a luxurious bathroom, a spacious bath with a freestanding tub and a substantial walk-in shower. And again, the ceiling with these backlights on the hanging panels adds such a warm, spa-like feel to this luxury bath. And down the hall, we pass the first walk-in closet, a nice beverage bar, and I love this 3-sided mirror. And we have another walk-in closet. And again, the ceilings of the bedroom, it's a focal point. Lighting is used inside the tray and in the reveal of the crown molding and goes around the room. I hope you enjoyed that tour. The possibilities are endless when you're working with a custom builder. And Lee Wetherington builds in Sarasota and Manatee County for 47 years. He's a full-service builder, and he has an emphasis on high levels of communication that's so important in this process. There's attention to every aspect and detail of the building process because he wants to make sure that your experience is as stress-free as possible and enjoyable. I met a woman just the other day who bought a Lee Wetherington home and he was still doing production, building, and communities. And she was so impressed by his personal touch that she's never forgotten that meeting and she's never had a regret. Lee Wetherington will build on your lot or on lots he currently owns in the Founders Club and at the islands on Manatee River. Lee Wetherington calls his models inspiration homes so that you can see and understand the capabilities of quality design and construction. He also tries to provide upfront pricing. In other words, a full price before you go to contract. Now you can still add finishes and features along the way, but you don't get an allowance because sometimes that allowance goes really fast before you realize it. They want to give you upfront pricing that assures you and keeps you at a comfort level while your home is being built. So if you want to explore the possibilities of building a custom home, reach out to me, email me, call me, text me, and I'll get right back to you, and we will get you started on your journey to buy and build a custom home. The Waterfront Town Center on Kingfisher Lake will have shops, restaurants, businesses, and Waterside Park, an 8-acre peninsula, will be home to the Players Theater and the site for festivals and concerts and activities, all organized by a full-time activities director. A number of tenants have already made Waterside Place their home, and more are expected to offer a variety of shops, eateries, and fun things to do like kayaking and boating. Waterside will include apartments, condos, townhomes, and single-family homes in a wide variety of price points. And with 7 lakes as the community's focal point, there will ultimately be 12 distinctive neighborhoods within Waterside. The shoreline access is provided by ferries to all of the residents of Lakehouse Cove, and by next year possibly Shoreview.